Want to remove the background from your videos without any special equipment? I'll show you how to do it in just a couple of minutes, using only your phone and Capcut. Let's dive in. All right, to get started, open Capcut and upload the video you want to edit. Once your clip's in the timeline, tap on it to select. Now, look through the options along the bottom until you find Remove Background. Tap it and give it a moment while Capcut works its magic. It might take a few seconds, but Capcut's AI will handle the background removal for you. Now, here's where you can get creative. With the background gone, you can add in anything you want. Tap on Add Overlay and choose a new video, image, or even a solid color to layer behind your main clip. Want a tropical beach behind you? Or maybe a simple black background for a sleek look. And that's it! Background removal and customization made simple, right from your phone. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy editing tips to make your videos stand out. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this.